So welcome back, this is SJG Custom. My name's Sean if you just joined the channel. In the last video we were sorting this rear floor pan out, fabricating all this, making it all good, cutting all the rust out and stuff. We're going to leave that for the moment, and we're going to crack on with getting all this jig off, the fixed one. At last we're going to get this off and get the 361 back on and get all these bits cut off and the rest bits bolted off. We're going to keep this jig for maybe the future projects. Might need a small crane just to lift it in the garden, but I'm sure I'll get it in there somehow. So I'll just show you what I've been doing. So down here I've just welded this bit in here just to give this a lot of strength here, so when it's back on the 360 jig it ain't gonna move anywhere. That one's obviously done the other side. I have been taking all this other stuff off here, the black stuff. I managed to get all this off, so it looks pretty clean, but this here, as you can see, that's pretty rusty, this old floor pan. But I have looked at this bit here. I think this was taken out originally at some point when they had another floor pan put in. It isn't great. I've been down here, it's quite rotten on this bit, so it might need another one of these. I will see. I might be able to repair it, but that one looks more solid. I've looked inside that one, so we are going to have to take this one off and look inside to see what it's like, or get it underneath, get these panels off this side and then have a look to see what we're playing with. But that's the plan. So the first thing we're going to do is get the jig back on, the 360 jig, and then we go from there. Right, let's do it. So there you go, all off, back on the 360. There's the other jig there, so I'm just going to chuck that in the garden and we'll come back and start looking at all this here and see what we've got to do. So let's get this bit put away and we'll come back. So just been finishing off these little spot welds in here and all this bits and pieces. I smoothed all this bit off down here, as you can see. I see I've got to do a lot here of smoothing off these bits here, but we'll get around to doing that off camera at some point. But I just want to get that bit done here and get it all sorted. But yeah, I mean, this bit's got to come off here. That's got to be bent that back out. As you can see, it's there. There's another bit in there, but this is all rotten, you can see, so that'll be completely taken out. I'm going to take some of this underseal off now just to see how bad this one is. There's a bit, it's clean down there. It's just a matter of this bit here, and that bit there has got to be replaced, as you can see. So we'll get this bit off and see what we're working with, and then see if we can have to put both the rear floor pans in. So that's what we'll do now. So there you go, got all this scraped off, this underseal. Not really sure what's going on with this bit up here. I think that's been dented at some point, as you can see by this bit here. It's all dented. But I'm trying to find where it's sort of welded here. So I'm going to try and cut it sort of close to that weld as I can, so I'm trying to get the original piece of the tunnel. So that's the plan. There's a few little bits and pieces here, but I mean that's got to be coming out a little bit there. That's pretty rotten, as I say, up there. But I have started cleaning this up, as you can see there. Just this hill, see how bad it is. But there's some little pits and stuff here, but a bit of rust remove on there. That'll come up nice. So I don't know if I'll be able to save this one either. So we'll go around up in the corner there. It's quite rusty, but I'll clean that up and see how we go. I might have to remove that bracket and repair some of this behind here. We'll see. I've been removing some of this here, this sealer across here. You can see why it's been sealed up to the max, because this has all been bodged up, as you can see there, all welded onto there, around here, patched up all the way along. There's nothing left of this up here. I think this has all been messed about with as well. So what we'll do is get this a little jig made up to keep this in place, and then I'll remove it all, and then I'll take this out. I'm trying to save some of this at the back here. I don't want to take too much of this metal away because it's part of this, but I mean this lot here has got to be all done. As you can see, it's quite heavy rusted there, so I'll have to put a new panel in here and stuff before I put all the floor in. And then obviously I'll show you this bit in a minute, go on the other side. As you can see, look, that bit sort of sticks up here. There's a lot of crease there. As you can see, it's risen up a little bit. But I want to try and, like I say, try and get as close as this weld I can. I don't want to take too much off. I don't know how much the panel goes up that far, you see. So, bit of it has to be done. I have to put a new bit in there, but it's not too much of a problem. But so what I'm going to do, I think this is what's the best thing to do, is cut down here, cut this panel away down there, it's that corner. Replace the metal underneath here, so it's got something to weld back onto, and under here. And then we'll go from there. I'll see if I can get a second hand one of those in the meantime. But that is going to be the plan, I think. Plan of action. So that is the end of the video. Thanks for coming back. The little bit of time I've had just to get all that bit sorted out in this video. Haven't had a lot of time to get too much on the go, but on the next one, like I say, like I've shown you all that little bit what I'm going to be doing, and hopefully we'll get stuck into that on the next one. A massive shout out to Dave for buying us cups of coffee and buying me a coffee. Absolutely appreciate it. Thank you very much for your support. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.